Welcome to the best picks. The best Bell bike lock is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your bicycle. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Bell bike locks, exploring their features, security levels, and ease of use. Whether you're a casual rider or a daily commuter, understanding the nuances of bike security is crucial, and we're here to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. Velo Bike U-Lock with Cable. Introducing the Velo Bike U-Lock with Cable. This is a heavy-duty bicycle lock designed to keep your bike safe. It's perfect for various bike types, including road, mountain, electric, and folding bikes. This bike lock is sold Secure Bronze certified. This means it meets industry standards for reliable protection. It's ideal for short trips and quick stops, giving you peace of mind. The lock is made from hardened steel. Its security comes from the quality of the materials, like hardness and cut resistance, not just its thickness. This ensures it can withstand impacts and attempts to break it. The hexagonal PVC cover protects the lock from water, dust, and dirt. This extends its lifespan and ensures it performs well in all weather conditions. It's built to last, no matter the environment. It features a 14mm thick U-shackle and a 10mm x 180 cm cable. This allows for quick and easy locking of your wheels and accessories. Please note that the cable is not designed to secure the bike frame itself. The package includes 2 keys for daily use and backup. It also comes with a high-quality mounting bracket for bike tubes, 20 to 42mm. Please refer to the pictures for installation. Note, the bracket is not suitable for larger bike tubes, such as those on fat tire bikes. What we like. This lock is sold Secure Bronze certified, meaning it meets industry standards for reliable protection. It's built with durable all-weather protection, ensuring it withstands the elements. If you're looking for a lock that offers dependable security for short trips and quick stops, this is a great choice. What people say. Mechanisms function smooth without need of force. The U-lock feels solid with good materials. It's easy to unlock, it's thick enough to where a thief can't cut it without significant effort, or more likely power tools. Number 4. Bell Catalyst 300 U-Lock, Black. This lock is a must-have on campuses and in high-crime areas. It's designed to keep your bike safe and secure, giving you peace of mind wherever you go. The 8-inch hardened steel shackle and crossbar provide tough security. This robust construction makes it incredibly difficult for thieves to break, protecting your valuable bike. The included carrying bracket with quick release guarantees ease of transportation. You can easily attach and detach it from your bike, making it convenient to carry around. The vinyl crossbar and shackle coating protects your bike from scratches. This feature ensures that the lock doesn't damage your bike's paint or finish. This lock offers 500 anti-theft protection and includes 2 keys. It's a reliable choice for safeguarding your bike against theft, providing you with added security. What we like. This U-lock features an 8-inch hardened steel shackle for tough security. The carrying bracket with quick release makes it easy to transport. If you frequently ride in high-crime areas or on campus, where security is paramount, this lock provides peace of mind. What people say. Still using the lock with a 6-inch cable. The cable comes in handy to ensure the front will lock since this is a small lock. Also used to lock my electric scooter to pull, it is just wide enough with no excess room to wiggle. It fits the back pocket, which is great. This U-lock has been so faithful at keeping my little bike from being stolen. It is light but durable and it's simple too. I love the look of it and that it's easy to use. Number 3. Titanker 4-foot bike cable lock. This Titanker bike lock features a 4-digit combination, so you don't need to worry about keys. It comes with a handy mounting bracket, making it easy to carry around. Setting your own combination is simple with this resettable coiling cable lock. It's designed for your convenience, allowing you to personalize the number sequence. With a 4-foot cable and a 5/16-inch diameter, it's perfect for securing your bike to various objects. You can lock it to trees, gates, fences, and more. The flexible steel cable offers strong cut resistance, and the PVC coating protects against scratches. This design helps to keep it durable for long-term use. Remember, no lock is completely foolproof, so avoid leaving your bike unattended for extended periods. Especially in areas where theft is more common. What we like. This cable lock features an easy-to-set 4-digit combination, offering keyless convenience. The 4-foot cable is versatile enough to secure your bike to various objects. If you need a simple, flexible lock for everyday use, this is a convenient option. What people say. It is long enough to secure around a pole or bike rack. Programming the combination was really easy. Easy to use, nice quality and beautiful color choices. Number 2. QuickZip Zip Tie Combo Lock 2-Pack. Introducing the QuickZip Zip Tie Combo Lock. This 2-pack offers a reliable way to protect your items. It's perfect for various uses, providing peace of mind. Each lock is 21 inches long with a 4 mm wide steel core. This design ensures durability and strength against potential threats. You can trust it to keep your items safe. The lock features a resettable combination, allowing you to customize the code. This feature adds an extra layer of security, making it difficult for others to guess the code. These locks are connectable, allowing you to use them separately or together. This flexibility makes them suitable for a wide range of applications, providing convenience. Use it for bikes, car racks, luggage, skis, and more. Its versatility makes it an ideal solution for securing various items. It's a convenient and reliable choice for your needs. What we like. This combo lock offers a resettable combination for added security. The connectable design allows you to use them separately or together for extra length. If you need a versatile lock for bikes, car racks, or luggage, this is a great choice. What people say. The code system is easy to set and reliable. It feels sturdy and compact, ideal for daily use. Bought these as extra licks if we just stop for a coffee and have bikes with us. We attach our helmets and lock the front wheel, to stop anyone just jumping on and trying to ride off. The locks are actually very sturdy and strong. Number 1. SIGTUNA Folding Bike Lock, Heavy Duty. This foldable bike lock is made of hardened steel, offering strong security. It's designed to keep your bikes or scooters safe and secure. The lock's large radius allows you to secure multiple bikes or lock to thick poles. It's also waterproof and rust-proof, ensuring a long lifespan. Installation is quick and easy, taking only a few minutes. You can mount it using the included straps or screws, depending on your preference. The soft plastic casting prevents scratches on your bike's frame. The anti-lock picking design will protect your bike from theft. If you have any issues, please contact us for the best solution. We are here to help you. What we like. This folding bike lock is compact and made of hardened steel for strong security. It's easy to install and features an anti-scratch coating to protect your bike's paint. If you like a secure, easy-to-carry lock that protects your bike's finish, this is a great option. What people say. Folds up small and has a good holder you can put on the bike's frame. The joints are very smooth, it's very easy to unfold and fold this lock. The hardened steel 8 mm bars provide a sense of security that is essential in a city. Despite its heavy-duty construction, the lock is surprisingly compact when folded, making it easy to carry without adding bulk. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.